Ever wondered about the mind behind the machine? The entity that whispers the secrets of the universe to those powerful AI models? Today, we're diving deep into the enigmatic world of Gemini, Google's latest and most ambitious AI creation. But before we unravel its capabilities, let's tackle the burning question: who exactly owns this groundbreaking technology? Now, you might think the answer is simple: Google. And you wouldn't be entirely wrong. Gemini is indeed a product of Google AI, a division within the tech giant. However, the story is far more nuanced than a simple ownership claim. Imagine Gemini as a masterpiece. Google, the visionary artist, poured countless hours, resources, and brilliant minds into its creation. But what about the raw materials? The data that fuels this AI behemoth? Where does it come from? The internet, my friends, is the canvas. A vast, ever-evolving tapestry woven from countless threads, news articles, social media posts, scientific research, and countless other forms of human expression. This data, a collective human endeavor, forms the very foundation upon which Gemini is built. So, in a sense, we all own a piece of Gemini. Our words, our ideas, our digital footprints, they all contribute to the vast ocean of information that this AI model draws upon. We are, in essence, co-creators. But here's where things get really interesting. Who truly owns the knowledge, the insights, the very essence of human creativity that Gemini embodies? Can ownership even be defined in the context of an AI system that learns and evolves through interaction with the world? This raises profound questions about intellectual property, data privacy, and the very nature of ownership in the digital age. As AI becomes increasingly sophisticated, these questions will only become more critical. Of course, Google plays a crucial role in developing and deploying Gemini. They invest heavily in research, employ top-tier AI talent, and bear the responsibility of ensuring responsible AI development. They own the algorithms, the architecture, the specific implementation of this powerful technology. But let's not forget the societal impact. Gemini, and AI in general, has the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. From healthcare and education to climate change and scientific discovery, AI promises to unlock new frontiers of human potential. However, this potential comes with significant responsibilities. Ensuring fairness, mitigating bias, and protecting human values must be paramount in the development and deployment of AI systems like Gemini. Transparency and accountability are also crucial. As AI systems become increasingly integrated into our lives, it's essential to understand how they work, what data they use, and how their decisions are made. So, who truly owns Gemini? Is it Google, the entity that brought it to life? Is it the collective human consciousness that contributed to the vast ocean of data it draws upon? Or is it a shared responsibility, a partnership between creators, users, and society as a whole? These are complex questions with no easy answers. But one thing is certain: the future of AI, and our own future, will depend on how we navigate these challenges and ensure that this powerful technology is used for the benefit of all. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.